too. Okay, he's already in it.
All right, so we're on our way to find the 300ZX. I sold it to a friend of mine a few months back. Fortunately, it's just up the road, so we're gonna go check it out and give you an update where it's at. So we're here. This is Bradley, my friend. He lives up the street. He's the guy I sold the 300 to. So yeah, what are you doing with the car? What have you done with the car?
Well, when we got it home, of course, all we wanted to do was the donuts that we saw in the video. I've changed the oil in it. I bought spark plugs for it. Have yet to put them in. I got a new Z hood badge for it. Did a few days cleaning the inside out. Vacuuming and scrubbing and just a lot of everything. Yeah, basically. And let's see what else. I got a new fog light for it. I would say nothing really major. Fuel filter, little vacuum hose.
Well, let's go check it out.
Yeah.
How was the oil in it?
Oh, it was blacker than the blackest color you can think of. First. Yeah. It's like on vapors right now.
We got some fuel we could put in it. Oh, nothing's changed there.
No, they were both working. I swear it's just because it's cold. There you go. They were both working fine.
Yeah, let's do a little quick hot lap with it.
All right. Best part, you gotta start it first now.
Sounds like a battery issue.
Yeah.
Do you want to sell it? Because we've gotten a lot of offers
Yeah?
from people on YouTube.
Well, let's.
I mean, I don't want to buy it back, but
Let's make an offer.
never mind.
I'm up for anything. I mean, it's come a long way so far.
Yeah.
You too. Stay in touch. Good seeing you guys.
Please like, subscribe.
Oh yeah, without a doubt. Keep up on it. I'll make sure I comment on every email account I have.
Hell yeah.
See ya.
That's awesome. Appreciate it.